What's up guys, it's your girl Imani here, back for another video. I finally decided to try this temporary hair wax that everybody has been talking about on YouTube and Instagram. And you know what? Let me just jump on this bandwagon. So as you see, I got the gold color. I got it from Amazon for like $9, I want to say. And it came in like 2 days. Y'all know I got that Amazon Prime. So as you see, I am separating my hair into 4 sections, which makes life so much easier for me. I already shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned my hair with the Mielle organic products, and I will also be using some water and the Mielle leave-in before I detangle my hair. I got some water here just because I want my hair to be soaking wet as if I'm doing a wash and go, because I heard that when it is soaking wet like that, the product is a little more vibrant in your hair. So guys, putting on the wax was actually really simple. It's like kind of creamy, and as you see, I just rubbed it into my hands and then rubbed it into my hair in like the prayer hands method. And then in each section, I just go in and try to separate my curls while trying to get every strand covered with the wax. It was really easy. I just did this for each section, and then after I did it each section, I did it like a second time going around, which you guys will see in a little bit, just to put a little bit more color, because the less color I had, the more green it seemed, and I wasn't really feeling it. So I added some more, and it did help a little bit. I'm gonna stop talking. Y'all just watch the video. You'll see. So I can't lie to y'all, I still wasn't feeling this color. After I went through it twice, I seemed to have gotten every strand. It just like was not for me. So I decided to sit under the dryer to see if it would like brighten up a little bit more, and I felt like it did. Like, this still wasn't my color, but I was just feeling like how different it was. I don't know. Only thing I didn't like, as y'all see, is like it gets all over your hands. Like, it was like, no matter how dry it was still getting all over my hands. I couldn't stand it. But this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Tell me your thoughts. Tell me if you tried it. Other than that, I'll see y'all for the next one. Bye.